they're actually planning an assassination. Yes. On me. Now the question is, why me? You need to relax. Let's think this together. Let's say this. Let's think this together. Are you with me? Yeah. Are you with me? Now let's start linking. I know those that are actually involved. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then yeah, I'm gonna drop names. You know what has actually been helping me out is because of my open book life. The thing anybody think they know about me is what everybody here knows. Okay? So let's start. Are you with me? You said you want to sleep. Now they are threatened. But this is my own form of self-defense. Now let me say this. Madam, Instagram online. Get police involved. Yeah. I've spoken to my mom about it. The thing is, I think my mom mentioned something like that. And then, of course, in this Nigeria, invest in good lawyers, celebrity lawyers, or else avoid comments for now and let's know what is happening. Yeah. Now let's talk. You know that thing the Gistlover posted, I need you to be attentive right now. It is very a serious matter. The question, remember the question is why me now? Why are they focusing focusing all attention on me? Why am I being tagged? Why is it me that I feel like, why are fingers pointing to me that I feel like, it is me that is the target? Okay, so let's reason together. Gistlover came to my DM on, I'm very active on Gistlover line. Yeah, he came to my DM, let's say 2 months ago, and he was saying something about my husband's family coming to her or to him to say that I'm spending my husband's money. I did not give them access to come into my husband's house. Like, I am practically in charge of everything. And I'm be like, where is this one coming from? Which one is they don't have access to their brother's house? I'm spending which money? And I'll be like, if you have been present in class, you will know that whose person's money am I supposed to spend before? Yes, everything to over one bed. You understand? Don't be me number one so one bed one more no. So be me lotto. And they're now nagging me on some certain. This thing is deep, oh. Just relax. Everybody relax. Carry popcorn. Because I'm not sure even Gistlover knows what they want to use him for. Yes. I went to his page yesterday with all the things. I still said, you know what? I want to thank you for this. And I appreciate you for this. I blow that person a kiss. Because unknowingly, you will be doing something you don't even know that you are wickedly saving somebody. Just relax, okay? Relax, dada. You need to listen to this. Yesterday, You know, when that thing came up, and then the way I read everything, ara mi ò gbà, I was like, something, I need to hear, something has to come out of this thing. Something is happening. If you tell your budget is dákẹ́, thank God, pé, you know, the Yoruba film wey be say person they do, and then with the way I'm very playful on life, at least, I need to, at least, lè sọ pé mọmọ mi sọ́mà. So I'm using this as a tool to actually pass this out in case of anything. Because trust me, we will reason out together now. Now here we do. It is crazy. It is crazy. Let's continue. So when Gistlover posted that, no, Gistlover came to me like 2 months ago, okay? Say, Bridget, your husband's family people came to me. But I felt so irritated. And the first thing I said was, you are mad. And I was like, it is me, oh, don't think it is. Please take this serious. Yes, I need you to take it serious. He said, it is me, oh, don't think it is fake Gistlover, oh. And I said, Oba, is that you? He said, yes. And I went to check the page. I confirmed, okay. Oba, please tell me, what is it? Is it my turn? No, wait. So, wá sọ̀rọ̀, Oba ní wọ́n sọ pé mi jẹ́ kó wọn ní access ilé, mi jẹ́ kó wọn náwó, mi jẹ́ kí wọn jẹ́ gbà. You know, so many junk things that, you know, I was like, what the fuck? Oba, please. Even without you, you should know, I've made myself so, available for you guys to know that I'm not even the kind of person that will even do this. And then, why is all this coming from? Why will somebody want to have access to somebody's? Let them go and talk to their child. They don't have access. But more notice income. Because senator ni challenge ni family. I faced my own challenge. I used to tell you people that you plan for the bad more. Because senator ni. All throughout, I was facing that challenge with myself and the kids. None of my husband's family members said, hello, báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe ńbẹ̀ yẹn o. Bí wà mí ò bá tiẹ̀ dá, torí àwọn ọmọ mi ń kọ́. None. Gbogbo ìgbà tí Sọ́mà máa sick, ibo mo ń gbé wá orí Instagram. Ṣọ́ọ̀nù ṣe wàhálà orí Instagram. Àwọn tó jẹ́ pé a fún ní bẹ́ẹ̀dì gan ní Dubai nígbà tí wàhálà ṣẹlẹ̀. On sùn sórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ta fún wọn bá ilẹ̀ ńlẹ̀ lèmi sùn sí. Do we appreciate them? I appreciate them. Shingbe Ope. No, we still had maybe like 1 year or maybe like few months, maybe 6 months plus. In fact, lower house rent wa. But in Dubai, it is better for Dubai government to owe you money than you owing them money. I had to cancel it immediately because everything came as a shock. Relax, relax. Everybody sit down and relax. Because with people, I think they're actually planning an assassination. And the question is, why me? Jamie, why are you targeting me? Why is it me? No. I'm saying this. This is my own self-defense. In fact, if you know my mom, you need to call so that when all that stuff happened, I never mentioned jack shit to my mother. I never mentioned anything to anybody. Oh God, Danny, you will not understand. I don't just understand. It was yesterday, first time. I just typed to my mom. Nobody most sense. I just typed to my mom. Mom, I am tired. I think I'm gonna walk out of this. No. You will need to correct them before they know the right thing. You don't need to correct. I will not put myself in a position where me shomo bear. For me to have sent that to my mom, something is really happening, and it has really. So let's go back to when Gistlover came to me. So later I just told Oba that, Oba, please, if nobody can say they don't have access to, because I really do not understand. But more notice, number one, you people hold it, oh, nobody from the family. Àbúrò ọkọ mi, láti kò tí bá mi sí ọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ mi. Gbogbo ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ mi. Yàtọ̀ sí 100 person tí mo sọ fún yín pé ó ní ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ mi kan tó send wa lówó. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm an open book. None. And I'm glad today that none did. But let's now think, why did they do that? Probably because they think there was more money to Timo. Really? So more link more in Koti Gistlover saw. It is normal for anybody to actually think that, yeah, but you walk on one beacon. But trust me, I wish. That is not the bone of contention. Don't change your mind. I was really fucked up. The thing is, I'm only good at. In fact, it was when I started business, I'm good no business. You trained me here because you made me comfortable talking to you. More channel energy, and the fact that I was a teacher in Oxford School, more channel energy, more match together. More feel good. More feel come up. Let mama, do my business online. That made me started talking about skin. I never knew I was going to be good in one thing. That is in business. The truth is, I used to tell to myself, I am not good in anything. Kúnlé bá mi jẹ. Mi mo bills. Ibi tó ti sanwó ná. Ní Dubai ọkùnrin ló ń lọ sọ́jà. Àfi tá bá kọ̀ jọ ṣeré lọ. I was as useless as. So when that thing happened, everything became new to me. It was Omokoni church. Ni mo pè pé jọ̀ọ́ báwo ló ṣe ń sanwó fẹ́ wà. Báwo ló ṣe ń ṣe báyìí? How can we do this? I know nothing. He has been saving me from the pollution and the junks of the world. He has been my shield. Me more. It is when wahala wa ni mo mọ̀ pé Uncle in anything mo fẹ́ o. The world is so crazy. People are mad. But somehow he knows how to shed me from the outside world. So when he was not there, it was as if I was naked. Everybody made use of me. As in, given shit mo gbe business fún, mo rebuild business mi lẹ́ẹ̀mejì. Gbogbo. Oh, if you want to come and see my account, my transaction, Ọlọ́run gbà fún mi and ta. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ló help me. It's not okay. I mentioned something that I sense that it's I'll make you understand why I feel it's an assassinating plot. It was crazy on me. I had no friends. Oh, Remy told mommy, one more way, or Bridget wants her time. You know, they would just, being bored was there, but Skofe, who understand boundaries. I had nobody to talk to. I was the only child of my parents. I grew up alone. And the marriage came in, and I started taking care of a man, and this and everything. It was too much on me. Oh, mommy sick. No sleep for the wicked. Love video again. You just this that. Obako were restless, but kò nígbà míì kò mọ̀ pé restless ó help me. In fact, òun gan ló jẹ́ kí n link àwọn kankan together actually. So the thing is, no, maybe because of what was it called? Change of, you know, that was the first time my children would be in Nigeria. Someone was sick at that time. I went to Radisson, Raggington in Isaac John. That morning, and the security men were looking at me like, they never open, no, the whole place. You know, we just came back then. What is this? I left there. I went to another hospital. My former driver, Mr. Ola, you just did start. Ṣé mi ló ń bá wí, Gistlover. Farabalẹ̀ kó jókòó. Kí wọ́n náà gbọ́n. Kó mọ̀ kó fẹ́ dúró ẹ̀ fún nǹkan tó dáa. Kó jókòó síbí báyìí kó fara òṣì ẹ̀ balẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ní ara ẹ̀ tó balẹ̀ yẹn, òun ló save mi sìn. That was why I said thank you. That was why I came to kiss you in your DM. Kó jókòó síbí bẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwọ gangan mi, I'm not sure you even know what you have actually saved me from. Because if you know, you would calm down and sit your fucking ass here and then relax. What is wrong with you? Mo kúrò níbi bẹ̀ yẹn, you know. Mo gbé sọ́mà sọ́wọ́, àwa tún lọ, a lọ sí èyí tó wà níbi Salvation. We passed that one Salvation Children Hospital, but me like ibi bẹ̀ yẹn. I want to see, what's it called? I want to see another one, St. Ives. You know, when I was running, that period we were using marks. When I was running with someone in my hand to go into St. Ives, okay, the security man said, please use your marks. So, or what mo fi gbé someone, mo ṣá ṣe báyìí, mo lo marks ni, mo sáré wọlé. Bí ṣe wọlé báyìí, you know, I was expecting every ọmọ lọ́wọ́ èèyàn, a woman that is worried. So, as I was saying, so when I got into the St. Ives Hospital, the reception there, madam, use your marks. The person sitting beside the lady, Kolomax. The person sitting beside the lady, Kolomax. Meanwhile, someone we did not sleep all through. I just shouted, are you people crazy? Can you please take this child from me? This person sitting beside you is not using masks. Then, what thing done on me? Nigeria, no, even if you have money, you want to go to the best place. It doesn't count. Now, who you know? Bí ṣe tún gbọ́mọ mi jáde kúrò níbi bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Sherry Shepherd Hospital tí mo ní mi like yẹn, ibẹ̀ ni mo lọ. Bí ṣe débẹ̀, one doctor as bó ṣe rí mi bí ṣe wà worried bó ṣe gbé ọmọ dání. Ó kọ̀ sáré wá. They did not even register Summer before they took Summer from me, from Shepherd. Fear started setting in. With the trauma we had. All these things, the kids too have trauma. I don't think children don't know. They don't understand though. We shall DJ. So when Gistlover came to tell me that, and they don't have access, of course, somebody will have gone to Gistlover to mention that. So only hints. But, you know, I understand Gistlover was then, you know, I was very active on Gistlover's page, you know, and then it is his job to do Beborun, okay? Anything he does, is that is his job. That is where he gets his money from. You understand? So I understand he came to me and then was like, so the way he was talking is somebody that actually wants to confirm the things he's going to say from my own mouth. So nígbà tí mo ti sọ 1 2 3 things, mo ti understand level of understanding eh. Mo ti mọ̀ pé oh Bridget, anything tó bá sọ, you understand. Well, eléyìí ò ní really ní kankan, and then àwọn tó fún ní gan, they have no, you understand. So I just told Gistlover, please leave me and my husband alone. Do you understand? Just leave me and my husband alone. Osha, you know, he is a restless person. Osha mummy bungba. Okay, no problem. Now me carry my 2 legs, come to you. Musha niko, but mo man gbàdúrà kan. Pé God, just give me little time. Tí wàhálà yìí bá ma surface. Let my husband be right beside me. The trouble and the trauma will be too much. Gistlover, go look back or come. Do you understand? Okay. Orí page ni mo máa ń lọ láti lọ pàrònú. Mo máa ń comment mo wà alive lórí page, you understand? So I don't know, but one way or the other, God answered me. And for almost 2 months, he did not post. I don't know why he did not post. I was actually expecting Gistlover to post immediately. Maybe because he was giving me my respect. Maybe because, I don't know. Maybe because, I don't know. Maybe because, well, maybe that is his policy. But he did not post, because if he had posted before that day, it will have been, you will not understand. He did not post. You know, even on his post, people will say, don't worry, to be your money. Don't worry. I'm going to take responsibility when that time comes. Oh no, they die. You know, you understand? They use that one day. Allow. Remember, none of my husband's family, none. Even my husband's mother came to Lagos at some point. Wait, mommy. Shake your by any airport. Shake your way. Mommy, avoid me. Titi. Oh, one jaye. Mommy, shaking pé ọmọ wá sí jaye. Oh, avoid me. Titi. Oh, lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Mommy fi padà. Mo wá jókòó máa pé Only int yo. But èmi mo èwo ní pé ní access sí. You know, Momu yen modimu. None of them, even the friends, the close friends. You understand? Tọkọ mi bá pè mí, máa sọ̀rọ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀, brother kan àwọn kan. Ọkọ ẹ̀, èmi tí mo ní ọ̀rẹ́, tèmi jẹ́ pé mi nìkan ni ìyá mi bí, tí mo rò bóyá mi níyàn. At least mo mọ̀ pé mi níyàn, I will stand up. Ọ̀yin tẹ́ níyàn, that is all my mo yan go, your money go. Mo lè kò ṣe ó mo yan kankan, ó níyàn, ó ní ẹbí, ó níyàn, ó ní bó ti ko te sọ pé wà mi ò dá torí ọmọ ẹ̀ ńkọ́, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?